so hot today. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My group will represent to you the secret of the greenhouse effect. So, what is the greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is the phenomenon of the overwarming, I repeat, overwarming of the earth due to the increasing around of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases in the atmosphere behave like the glass panes in a greenhouse, which is the gas will trap and warm the house. Don't you guys want to know about example of the greenhouse gases?
I want to know.
Alright. Greenhouse gases. One of the example is actually carbon dioxide. Second is methane. Third is chlorofluorocarbon. Third is nitrous oxide. Yes. So the greenhouse gases include, like what I said before, the carbon dioxide is actually liberated by the combustion of fossil fuel in the power stations and car engines. Second, the methane. Methane produced from oil palm influence and milking of cows. Third, chlorofluorocarbon. Chlorofluorocarbons are leaked from refrigerator coolants and aerosol propellants. Okay. You know, the overall rise in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere is referred to as global warming. Scientists predict that the average temperature may rise between 1.5 degrees Celsius to 4.5 degrees Celsius by 2030.
Okay, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Okay, just now Ilya just give you some information about the definition of greenhouse effect and she talk about what? Overwarming, and overwarming can cause global warming. So, I'm here to continue to tell to you the effects of greenhouse effects that can affect our lives. Do you want to know about that? Want to know? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, before the greenhouse effect is quite beneficial to us as a human, because it can give the earth the comfortable and for us to live happily ever and after. Okay, because of human activities, the natural greenhouse effect through the burning of fuels resulted in more carbon dioxide, CO2, in atmosphere. Where is CO2? Just all around us. There's plenty of it. Okay. Too much of carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases can trap more heat, and that causes to feel so hot. Malaysia is so hot. Hot, isn't it? So, it can cause the earth to warm up. Not the warm up like people doing around the field, but warm up, global warming. Here, you will have a deeper understanding of the greenhouse effect and how does it affect our lives. Our lives, not me, our. Okay? What is the greenhouse effect? No. The effects that affects our life. Like Ilya said just now, it can increase the average temperature of our earth due to the human action. And as a result, it causes various of consequences such as food shortage. Okay, if earth continues to trap more and more heat, it will affect the climate, and climate change can impact the food availability. Do you want to know why? Okay, there is an anticipation of decline in food and agricultural production due to the climate change. So this will result in the food shortage, and it will be a bad effect for us. Okay, migration of species also one of the effects of the greenhouse effect. For animal species to survive changes in climatic patterns, they have to migrate forcibly. So, I'm sad for them. Okay, progressive increase in average temperatures will also force human beings to move. Why? Because it is too hot. So we need to migrate to another place. Not only the animal, but human also do. Okay, flooding. Flooding? Flooding. Greenhouse effect directly affects the climatic pattern. As a result, flooding of coastal cities and islands might occur. From 1901 to 2010, the global average sea level has risen to 19 cm. Do you know that? You don't know, right? So, then by the year 2100, it is estimated that sea level will be higher than its current level, between 15 to 90 cm. Such a what? Panjang. Okay, dah.
What causes the greenhouse effect? Well, the greenhouse effect is caused by greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide. The carbon that comes from coal-fired power stations combines with oxygen in the atmosphere that forms carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide also comes from vehicle exhaust, which is the main gas of greenhouse effect. Other pollutants also include chlorofluorocarbons, also include chlorofluorocarbon or CFCs, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. The ways to prevent the greenhouse effect such as practicing 3R, which is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Use less air conditioning, and practice carpooling or just ride a bike instead of driving a car to work.